As you can see, the Wi-Fi icon is not visible. Now we are going to clean the Wi-Fi card to fix this and make it appear again. You might be facing Wi-Fi issues on your laptop where the Wi-Fi icon randomly vanishes while you're using the laptop. I've made videos on this before. However, if none of those software methods helped you, this is your final resort. Opening up your laptop like this and cleaning or replacing the Wi-Fi card, which can potentially fix the Wi-Fi disappearing issue. Don't worry, I will take you through a step-by-step process on how you can do it yourself. It's not that complicated, you just need to make sure you do it the right way. So first up, let's turn the laptop upside down and open the back panel. It's just a couple of screws. You can use a screwdriver kit like this, which costs less than 200 rupees. The only thing is, some screws are longer than others, so you need to remember which screw goes into which hole. Also, remember that sometimes there are screws hidden underneath the rubber pads. Once all the screws are out, use a pry tool or a thin plastic tool to carefully open the back panel. Now here's the important part. This is the battery and this is its connector. Make sure you detach it for safety reasons, of course. Now here's the RAM, here's the hard disk, here's the CPU and GPU, and here's the SSD. But where is the Wi-Fi card? Well, it's right underneath this M.2 NVMe SSD. It's a weird placement. So let's remove the SSD first. For that, remove this screw over here. Then gently pull the SSD out at an angle like this. And now this is the Wi-Fi card, about this size. Why is it placed here? Well, the ASUS TUF series is somewhat notorious for this Wi-Fi disappearing issue, and this placement directly beneath the SSD is believed to be a major contributor to the problem. Because SSDs generate heat, and over time, that heat can affect the Wi-Fi card, possibly leading to connection instability. By the way, engineers aren't stupid. I'm pretty sure that there are multiple factors involved in this issue, including driver issues and the cheaper quality of the stock Wi-Fi card. Anyway, let's take this out. Remove this screw holding it in place, then take the card out. Gently disconnect the antenna cables over here, the white one and the black one. Now we need to clean the golden contact pins of this chip. We can gently use a clean white pencil eraser to rub the gold contacts like this. Just don't go aggressively and make sure you wipe off any residue. You can use all these other things listed here too. Just clean the contacts gently, don't scratch them. And that's it. Once you're in the clear, put it back in place. Insert it gently and press it down until it sits properly. Then screw it back in securely. Restore the SSD to its original position and tighten its screw. Lastly, reconnect the battery to the motherboard using the connector we unplugged earlier. Now, will this act void your warranty? No, as long as you don't damage anything or remove warranty stickers that show tampering and make it blatant that you've done mechanical work inside on your own. Leave no trace. First rule of finally, close the back panel, screw it back in. Remember to put the correct screws in the correct positions. Then power it on. By the way, some people forget the reconnecting the battery step. So remember that and spare yourself another back panel opening, which is honestly the hardest part of this tutorial. Ta-da! The Wi-Fi icon is back. Now, I'm not promising miracles. This works in many cases, but it's not always a permanent solution. If you are willing to spend around 3000 rupees, I would recommend replacing the existing cheap stock Wi-Fi card with a better one like the Intel AX210. And that's it. Thank you. If this helped you, let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, drop them below.